I'm going to presume you're watching today's video because you own a 2021 F-150, F-250, or F-350. If you have a key start, a push start, today is your lucky day because the world's first plug-and-play remote start for the 2021 year Ford F-Series is here. And this is what it looks like. Basically a ground, 2 T-taps for each can high and can low. They slide right in here in these pre-plumbed male terminals for can high, can low. Here's a 12-volt connector, same thing. Quick T-tap, boop, slide it on. This installation should probably take you maybe at best 8 minutes, maybe. Takes me about 2. So I give you a little bit extra time. And also the kit includes full instruction guide, downloadable PDF, also expandable with the linker, 2-way or 1-way RF kit. Fortin flash link is also included because you're going to need that to do a key decryptor, which is basically in English where you download a digital copy of the key, and then when you bring it back to the vehicle, it uploads it to your Ford's body control module and teaches it an intangible copy of your digital key. Just that easy. You can also use that to make 3-lock activation, lock, unlock, lock. If you don't want to hear the horn honk, you can activate alarm security features, which is free, and also all the other little settings that you can get in there and tinker with. Check out my other video on how to use the flash link and you can learn a lot, and that thing's really cool. But this is pretty much it. 3-year warranty, first of its kind, unlimited tech support, 3-year exchange warranty. You can't go wrong. There you have it. Check the links below and get yourself one today. Thanks for watching.